Jason's second attempt to beat his first record. So let's see how he would do it and how he would score this time. Whenever you're ready. Let me say hi for the camera. Ding ding ding! Hoy, ang short ng distance cheater. Longer strides. No cheater. No cheating. Ding ding ding! And the winner is for the round 2. Misha, congratulations! You've earned yourself a crusher.
Magagalit ka yan.